In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Windsor AI. We'll walk through connecting Instagram insights and setting up a clean data preview so you can analyze performance with confidence. Start by opening Windsor AI in your browser and heading to the app. On the connectors page, use the search bar to type the platform name you're looking for. This narrows the list and helps you find the right connector quickly. For this example, choose Instagram Insights, which pulls metrics from your professional Instagram account. Next, connect your Instagram account. You'll see options to authorize the connection. You can proceed via Instagram, or if your Instagram is linked to a Facebook page, authorize via Facebook instead. Either route works. Just stick with the one that matches how your Instagram business or creator account is set up. Approve the requested permissions so Windsor AI can read Insights data. When prompted, select the Instagram accounts you want to include. If you manage multiple profiles, choose only the ones you plan to analyze to keep things tidy. Then continue to move forward. You'll arrive at the data preview setup. First, choose a date range. Pick the period that matches your reporting needs. A shorter window will load faster, while a longer range gives more context for trends. Next, select your data source. For this walkthrough, keep it on Instagram Insights so the fields and metrics align with your goal. Now choose the fields you want. This is where you define exactly what will appear in your dataset. Think impressions, reach, followers, post-level metrics, or engagement rates. Selecting only what you need makes the preview easier to read and speeds up processing. Finally, confirm the accounts you want included in the preview. This ensures the filters match the profiles you authorized earlier. As you apply each choice, the preview updates so you can confirm everything looks right before moving on to analysis or reporting. That's it. You've connected Instagram Insights to Windsor AI, authorized access the right way, selected the date range, data source, fields, and accounts, and built a focused dataset ready for insights.